Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly use a beauty blender. So I'm going to start with a completely dry beauty blender. You could see that it's quite tough and also it's small in size. So when I say use a damp beauty blender, I don't mean to quickly run it under the water, squeeze it, and then think it's ready and it's damp, because this doesn't make it much different than a dry beauty blender on the left. It's still quite tough and also it's almost the same size. What you should do is run it under the tap under running water for a while, or dunk it in a bowl of water until you make sure that all the layers of the sponge have been soaked. You can pull it out, squeeze it really well, and you can see it's almost doubled in size. It's supposed to not leak any water, but leave your palm damp when you squeeze it. As you can see, the size is a big telltale difference, but also it's soft and almost slippery. I hope this helps. Make sure to like this video and follow me for more tips.